Hello class, welcome. On the onset of online learning class, I am your English teacher, Gaurav Rai. Welcome you once again in the second chapter of English Grammar, class 7th. The chapter name is Basic Functions, Offers, Request, etc. I hope that you have enjoyed the chapter first. So, come on the chapter second for a better understanding. We will go through one by one examples. Firstly, offers. Offers means ask for help other. To ask for help other. How to help other? In which way we can make a sentence making an offer for others. Will you have a cup of ice cream? You are going to ask someone here. Would you like a coffee? Would you like me to post the letter? You can use. May I help you? The stairs. Shall I give you a lift? In these sentences, you are getting would is polite, would is polite, then will, can. And may word is used, may I help you up the stairs, will be used in official way. Officially, we can use it. And how can you reply to the offers? If you want to accept the offer of someone, suppose that will you have a cup of ice cream? So you will reply yes please, and you will say thank you, I would love to, thanks, kind, nice of you. And suppose that you don't like to take anything, would you like a cake? If you don't like to take, so you can say it, no thank you. Thank you can be used for accepting as well as refusing. It means that you can use thank you word for accepting the offer or rejecting the offer. Can I carry the bag for you? No, it's okay, thanks. If you want to reject the offer, you can also say no, it's okay, thanks. Come on the next topic, request. How to make a request to other. Suppose that, will you lend me your pen please? If you want to take pen of your friend, you can say it, will you lend me your pen please? Could you lend me, you can use would or could you lend me your pen please? More polite than will you. Would you, could you are more polite than will you. These are two words, more polite than will. Will, could you lend me your pen please? Will you, we can also use. Would you mind opening the window? Much more polite than above one. And above one we have read will you, could you, will you. And more polite, these sentences, the word is here will, sorry, would you mind. Would you mind, this term will be more polite than above one. If you want to request someone, would you mind opening the window? Would you mind opening the window? Would you open my window? Please open my window. Will you please open my window? It is the sense of the sentence. And agreeing to a request. And if the other person is agreeing to a request, what will he say? All right, okay. Yes, certainly. Sure. Yes, of course. And refusing a request. If you are making a request to someone, would you mind opening the window? And the person is refusing a request. So the person can say, I am sorry, I can't. I am afraid, not because. You can add the other part, I am afraid not because I can't climb near it. You can add any words according to your choice. Apologies, make a apology, क्षमा प्रार्थना. As you say it, I am sorry, I was so rude. If you are rude, if you are not behaving properly to other, you can say it, I am sorry, I was so rude yesterday. You are making an apology, means क्षमा प्रार्थना करना. I am so sorry, I am so, you can use, if you want to say someone sorry, on that time you can use I am very sorry for coming late. And if you want to show that you are in, you are showing your apologies in a strong way, that you are very sorry, so you can say it, I am so sorry, I am very sorry, I am awfully sorry, I am terribly sorry, I am extremely sorry. If you want to show that you are really want to show your concern, that you feel sorry. Excuse me used before interrupting or disturbing somebody, or when you want to get past a person. Suppose that you are in class, and if you want to ask a question, so you must ask a question to your teacher. On that time you must use the term excuse me when the teacher is teaching any topic, and you can ask a question, excuse me sir, please tell me about now. And after that, suppose that you are going on the way, and by chance you put your step on the leg of the person, you can say. And if you want to pass, suppose that someone is standing on the road, two persons are standing, and you want to pass through them, so you can say excuse me, then they will understand that you need a pass. You can also say I beg your pardon, pardon me, oh sorry, used when you accidentally touch or push someone, when you step on someone's foot, etc. Suppose that you don't know, you are unknown, you are going on the way, and someone is standing, and by chance, by mistake, you put your leg step on the person's foot. On that time you will use the term I beg your pardon, pardon me, forgive me, क्षमा करिए, oh sorry, used when you accidentally, by chance, unluckily, by chance you have touched or pushed someone, when you stop, sorry, when you step on someone foot, etc. By chance you have committed any mistake, you have put your feet step on any other person leg, or you have touched someone by mistake. Please accept my apologies, formal. You can use this sentence formally in your school, colleges, offices, formal places. Permission. How to take permission? Can I use your pen? And how to take permission, and how to give permission to other to do anything. Can I use your pen? If you are asking, other one will tell, certainly, of course you can. Could I borrow your camera for a week? Could is more polite than, you know that could word is more polite. Suppose that you are using could I borrow your camera for a week, it means that you are saying please, I need your camera for a week. Please, can I take? Could I take? You can say it now. May I leave at 4 o'clock? May is more formal than can and could. You must know that may is a formal word. In every place, it will be used in official way. School, colleges, offices, any places that are official places. Can or could is not more official word. Could is polite word only. Means that we can say that may is formal word, could is polite word, and can will be used with your friends, with your companions, in your neighborhood, not in a formal place. And if you want to show your politeness, etiquette, good behavior, then you can use could. You can use my phone. Suppose that you need a phone of anybody. Can I take your pen? Could I take your mobile? So the person will reply, you can use my phone. Each passenger may take one bag onto the plane. Can I have more chocolate? No, I am afraid you can't. Suppose that you want to take permission to someone. Can I have more chocolate? No, I am afraid you can't take. And another one is rejecting, not giving the permission to take the chocolate. Could I read your paper? Yes, of course you can. If someone is permitting, could is more polite. I have already told you. Yes, of course you can read. Of course, could. Not, we can't use not. Of course you could. We only use yes, of course you can. Making suggestion. How to make suggestion? Give suggestion to other. Shall we go for a swim? Let us go to the cinema. We can use shall we go for a swim. Let us go to the cinema. How about going to the cinema? How about? How it will be to go about the cinema? What about playing tennis? He's making suggestion to other about these works, things. What about a game of tennis? Why don't we have some ice cream? Why not have some ice cream? We could take taxi. Means that in these sentences you are getting someone is suggesting other to do the things. Asking for a suggestion. If you need suggestion to other, how can you ask? Where shall we go? If you are not knowing any particular place to go, so you can ask to your senior or anybody, where shall we go? You are using the term shall we go. What shall we do this weekend? We are using the word here shall we. What shall we do this weekend? Suppose that you are asking a suggestion and someone is agree with your suggestion. So how can the person will reply? Suppose that where shall we go? You are asking. Suppose that no. So suppose that you are asking shall we go for a swim, and other is agree with your suggestion. Good idea. Yes, that's a good idea. And let us go to the cinema, and someone is agree, then other person will say yes, let us do that. How about going to the cinema? Fine. Okay. Yes, why not? These are the replies, certain replies.